In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image into a gradient background using Canva. This is a fantastic way to create visually stunning designs for personal and professional use. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to Canva's website. Open up a web browser on your computer or tablet and type in Canva's URL, or simply search for it using your preferred search engine. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to take a moment to sign up. Don't worry, it's free and straightforward. Once you're on Canva's homepage, you'll see an option to continue. Click on this to proceed. You should then select your account. If you've used Canva before, you'll see your account options. Choose the one you usually work with. If it's your first time, follow the prompts to set up your account. After logging in, it's time to open your project. Navigate through your designs or start a new project if you're creating from scratch. Look for the project you want to add that creative touch to and open it up. If you're starting fresh, make sure to choose the right dimensions and layout that fits your needs. Now in your project, focus on the Elements section on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Elements allows you to explore a myriad of options for your design. In the search bar provided, type in Gradient. This search will bring up various gradient options that you can work with. From the search results, click on the See All option to view all the gradients available to you. This step is crucial as it gives you a comprehensive view of your options, allowing you to choose the perfect gradient for your image. Once you find a gradient you like, click on it to select. This will add it to your design. Position the gradient over your canvas and adjust its size so it serves as the ideal background. With the gradient in place, it's time to integrate your main image. Position the image you wish to fade into the gradient on top of your canvas. To achieve a seamless fade effect, adjust the image's transparency by clicking on it and finding the transparency tool. Slide the transparency bar until you achieve the desired fading effect. The key here is subtlety. You want the image to blend seamlessly with the gradient background. Play around with the transparency and the size until it looks just right. And there you have it. A beautifully faded image into a gradient background in Canva. Feel free to tinker with additional adjustments to perfect your design. Once you're satisfied, your work is ready to share or use as you see fit. Thanks for following along and happy designing.